So do salons you know buy followers?
So we're back with another social masterclass for 2023, and today we're looking at why you should increase your Instagram organically and how it can benefit your spa and salon.
So the brutal truth is people buy followers, whether that's brands buying followers or influencers and creators buying followers. It's that magic number of 10k that people want to have already in order to seem more authentic and genuine. And it can be difficult as a young startup salon to actually reach a high volume of followers. However, those followers are not going to increase your business. You want genuine, organic followers that you've built up over time, and this is how you're going to get them.
So what are the difficulties with kind of building your Instagram organically? So one of the main things is it's incredibly hard and difficult. You do need money sometimes. Obviously we're going to talk a few things where you won't necessarily need money and things that you can do, but like we mentioned before, people buy followers, people kind of do paid advertising in social media. So realistically, lots of companies have money behind their campaigns, and that is why they grow so quickly. But today we're going to be looking at why you can grow organically.
So it can be really difficult to stand out from the crowd when you are a startup salon, because there are so many different salons and spas all over the UK at least, let alone in the world. So it's really difficult to differentiate yourself between others. However, this is the best way we can think of to organically grow your business.
And of course, we understand it takes time. We know you're very, very busy people. So we're kind of going to give a few tips on how you can do things to help minimise the time that you need to dedicate to growing your Instagram.
So why do you need to increase your Instagram organically?
Well, it enhances credibility and it makes people trust your brand a lot more. And also, of course, it helps increase engagement, which then links to increased sales and etc, etc. It all kind of interlinks into a circle.
So let's go over 5 different points on how you can grow your Instagram organically. Okay, so number 1 is $80, and this is a great thing to write down just to keep reminding yourself about it, because it's a very easy one to forget. So what is $80? So $80 is taking your 20 cents and putting it into something to build up a revenue stream. So that may sound really complicated, but in reality, it's literally just taking 20 minutes out of your day to go through Instagram, look through related hashtags to your brands. That could be other spas, whether it's other beauty companies, natural companies, and basically go through their Instagrams, give them a little comment, say, oh, I really enjoyed reading this post, or whether it's influencers, like local influencers, local businesses, just go through, give them a like, give them a little comment saying, really interested in working with you, really like what you've been posting, things to genuinely make you sound like you're interested in that post and you're going along with that. So why are we doing this? It's just to start creating a name for yourself at the end of the day, because people in your local community won't really know who you are and what your salon does, what you offer. So it's a great way to familiarise yourself with other similar local businesses and also create a bit of a name for yourself within your area.
Another way to grow your Instagram organically is by taking beautiful photos, because that basically is what sells the products and the treatments. Now, we understand that you're not photographers, we're not photographers,
Yes, we're not.
But there are certain angles and lighting and different ways that you can take images to really make it stand out and make it unique. We did previously, last month, I've done a social masterclass on how to take a lovely photo. We'll make sure to link it below in the comments. And yeah, just check it out and you'll see how to take some beautiful, beautiful pictures and really show your clients and customers what they're missing and how they need to book a treatment with you.
Okay, so the third point is all about consistency. Now, consistency is such an important thing when you're trying to grow a brand, especially on Instagram. With Instagram's constant ever-changing algorithm, it's really difficult to get your posts seen by your followers, let alone by people that don't already follow you. So a great way is to always be consistent with your posts, with your stories, and anything that you are scheduling along.
Another amazing way to help grow your brand organically is to do giveaways, whether that would be with other salons or spas or kind of local businesses around you. This is an amazing way because the rules of the giveaway are kind of follow us, follow them, so it helps increase your followers massively. And normally, I mean, you obviously get, once the giveaway's finished, you kind of get a couple of followers drop off, but normally you kind of do keep a lot of the followers that you have gained through the giveaway. So again, and it kind of shows, especially if it's a sustainable brand, an organic brand, then it kind of shows, you know, you as a wider brand as well and what you stand for.
So our fifth and final point is about scheduling your posts. Now, in an upcoming masterclass, we will go through how to schedule your posts on Facebook and Instagram through the Creator Studio on Facebook. Now, this is an incredibly important tool as it saves you the time of actually having to post them yourself. You can schedule them and then not have to worry about them. And it's a great way to save yourself time and save yourself making all of the content in a rush when, you know, it's 6 o'clock on a Tuesday and you haven't posted anything in a few days. So it's a great way to get around that.
So what have we learned from this social masterclass? So we have learned that people do buy followers, so not to worry, you know, if your competitor or another salon or spa locally to you has got loads and loads of followers, it could possibly be that they've bought them. And we understand that it takes a lot of time to grow organically, and it can be hard to stand out in a crowd with loads of salons around you and other businesses. So then we've discussed why it is important to help increase credibility and be more trustworthy and increase engagement as well for your brand, so that a customer or client lands on your Instagram page and thinks, yes, I want to go here. Like, everyone else seems to follow them, everyone else seems to love them, I want to go and have a treatment there.
So let's go over the 5 main points of why you should grow your Instagram organically and how you can actually do it yourself. So the first one is $80. So that's liking, commenting on similar brands to you, brands in your local area, and just generally influencers and any people that you think may be relevant to your brand. Okay, so number 2 is taking photos and taking good photos at that. So if you go back to one of our previous masterclasses, we basically go through everything you need to do to take a good photo. And that can be on your phone, on your tablet, on your camera, absolutely anything. These rules apply to everything. Okay, so the next one is consistency. Make sure to be consistent with your content, as that is what's going to make you stand out and make your followers see more of your posts. Okay, number 4 is then giveaways. So collaborate with another brand or give yourself a giveaway. So give away a treatment, give away a spa day or something along those lines, just to increase your engagement and then your follower count as well organically. Okay, and then the last one is number 5, and that's scheduling your posts. So in a few masterclasses time, we will be going through how to schedule your posts. However, if you do have a scheduling app, such as Later, Hootsuite, or any of the others, then please feel free to use those because it will save you time in the long run.
So thank you very much for watching. Make sure you like and share and comment and also subscribe to our channel. Do let us know if there's anything else that you want to see from us. We love hearing from you and love hearing your ideas and what you want to know more about. So just let us know in the comments below. See you later.
See you later. Bye.